We are very pleased to have today the demo room opening for Ressam Gardens. What we are trying to demonstrate in the demo room, two concepts. First of all, the special design furniture and features of a typical resident room for all memory care or Alzheimer's. We also are introducing some new technologies, innovative technologies, such as a lighting system, such as breathing monitoring system, such as a tracking system for the patients within the facility. People with Alzheimer's, they suffer from sleep deprivation. By introducing these lighting systems, we will help the patient to sleep during the night and just to have a full extended day the following day. The floor itself has a cushion underneath the laminate that will absorb that fall, and that will minimize the impact of the fall. The next step, we have a smart floor where we will embed all these sensors underneath this floor, and it will allow us to keep a track of this person if there is a fall. What we are trying to introduce here is a very portable device that will capture the status of the breathing pattern of these people, and without attaching any sensors or any devices to them. And it will allow them to enjoy the whole evening in sleeping while monitoring their status using infrared camera.